Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. If you're exploring AI image generators and wondering which platform is better, Leonardo AI or Midjourney, then this video will help you make an informed choice. Whether you're a designer, content creator, game developer, or just playing with AI art for fun, I'll walk you through a full breakdown of both tools. First, we will look at Leonardo AI in depth, then we'll move on to Midjourney and see how it compares. So, Leonardo AI is a web based AI image generator. So, for that, you have to simply go to your browser. You can choose any browser of your choice. Here, I'm using Google Chrome. Once you're on the browser, you have to just simply search for Leonardo AI and then you will get the first link. Just simply click onto it and you will be onto its website. This is the AI image generator built for people who want more control over their creative process. It's designed for artists, marketeers, developers, and creators who need structured, reusable content, not just pretty images. So, once you get to its website, you just have to simply use your email address to join this platform. So first simply click onto this option which is get started, then it will ask you for your credentials. Just simply provide it and you will get to your account. So first the interface is clean, initiative and completely browser based. You don't need Discord or extra tools. You can see your generation history, manage your models and tweak prompt settings visually. It feels more like a professional design app than a chatbot. If we talk about its feature, first we have the multiple AI models. Leonardo gives you access to models like Leonardo Diffusion, Alchemy, and more. Each one has its own style and strength, and you can also see these designs. These are based on these models. All of these images are created with the help of prompt. So you can also add the prompt like the negative prompt which adjusts image guidance and even set elements priorities for more precise results. It's perfect if you need consistent characters, product shots or game assets. Then we also have the canvas and editing tools. Unlike Midjourney, Leonardo includes basic in painting and editing. So if an image comes out almost perfect, you can tweak it without regenerating the whole thing. And it also has the use cases. It's great for concept art, marketing images, product mockups, NFTs, and games. And if we talk about its subscription plans, then we have these five plans available. It has free plan and then $10, $24, $48 and one for corporate. So you can choose as per your choice and you have to pay per month for whatever plan you choose within it. So it's up to you. You can either go with your monthly payments plan or you can also pay yearly. So this is the plan. If you find it useful, then you can select any one of these and start your journey. Then we have the Midjourney. Midjourney is one of the most widely recognized name in AI image generation, known for its stunning artistic and cinematic results. Unlike Leonardo, Midjourney runs entirely on Discord. You can interact with a chatbot inside a chat room to generate images. You cannot create images on its web version. You have to join it through a Discord server where you give the prompt and it generate images. So you can just simply join it with your Discord account and after that you will be able to generate images. On Discord, you can use prompt and Midjourney response with your four image options. From there, you can upscale, remix, or regenerate. If we talk about how it performs, then we have the visual quality. The quality is the best. Then the ease of use, it is very easy to use it. You just have to simply provide your credentials and just simply give it a prompt. It generate images according to it. Then we also have some limitations like you cannot train custom models or make structural edits. There's no canvas, no negative prompts, and no real customization beyond text input and few basic settings. Other than that, if we talk about its pricing, then it has different plans for it. Once you get to its website, it has four plans like the $8, 24, 48, and 96 per month. They all comes with different sort of benefits, so you can check them out, and whichever you find the most useful one, you can just simply choose that. But if we have to say which one is better, so that depends entirely on your goal. Choose Leonardo AI if you want full creative control, custom model training, and a studio style workflow. And choose Midjourney if you want quick, stunning images with a simple, no fuss process. Both platforms are powerful, but they serve different type of creators. Let me know in the comment section which one you're using or planning to try. And if you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more honest AI tool reviews. Thank you for watching.